Hey everyone, it's me Zoe, and today we're going to be playing Ride a Cart into Selenity. Yes, I like scary things, that's why we're doing it. So sadly it won't be scary, but that's okay. Oh wait, I forgot to mute the show. We were just watching the show. No. Well, Molly doesn't have Roblox.
It's Molly 23C.
Molly 23C? I don't know. Oh no, that's my friend. Roblox.
Zoe J. And this for you.
It doesn't say YouTube, it says YT.
That's not for YouTube.
I know.
It said office roll after you can wait.
Hi. Let's get a cart together, quick. In the cart. Oh. Get in the cart. Get us a cart. No, don't let him get in. Get in. Get in. Oh, yes. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, I'm with Riley. We did a video called Don't Make Us Go Too Fast. We did a video called Meeting a Fan. It was really fun. Wait, Riley, I just want to slow this down. There we go. That's good. Riley, hop out for a second. There we go. Oh, I'm trying to stop it. There we go. I just fell and she looked at me like. So I guess we have to make this. Ah, I totally fell. That's okay. Riley, no, wait. Catching up. I have to catch up to you. No! I fell. Don't keep going up. So, I'm in. You can go now. We're just like holding everyone up. And I mean everyone.
That's why I speed up.
Oh yeah. Riley, wait! I fell. Wait, still wait for me though. Still wait. Like last time. Traffic jam! Yes, we are playing Slender Man again. I'm in my own car.
So if one of our cups gets broken, we can jump into the other one.
Okay.
Right, this one.
This guy's making me go backwards. I don't want to go backwards. So I hopped out.
Then they have to in the cup.
Yeah, I hopped into the car. No! I have this weird glitch on my laptop that just makes me go further and further and further. And I'm not even touching it. Do not go forward.
I didn't.
Stop it.
I can't.
Just wait. She's just like casually waiting for me. What everyone does these days, right? Yeah, yes, okay. See, they can see this glitch happening again, but it's with my trainings. Why don't...
Yeah, jump out.
No, don't. Don't. Did you just... Riley. It's hard to walk. My gosh. Oh! Let him get in. Get out. Press it. Press it.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, I saw that. Oh my gosh.
Did you draw on your iPad with a pen?
No.
What did you with a pen?
Just scratches. Oh, I get it. With Riley. No. No. I can't play Roblox anymore. My laptop. Got in. Sorry, Riley. Hopefully he'll jump out. Well, this video is getting more too long, so I'm gonna pause it and see you guys when we get to cylinders. Okay, everyone, we finally got to cylinders, and we forgot to mute our show again. So I'm just gonna mute it. There we go. Yeah, so we finally made it to cylinders. Ryan made it too. We were on the same car. We were so happy.
They can see my
Yeah, I know.
what's the next jump in?
Yeah, if you can see that person that's jumping over there, that's a Riley.
And walk.
No, don't walk. What if I make it faster than you in my cart and I don't stop? I'm just gonna go. I won't look. No, that sucks. Riley! Oh my gosh! Don't wanna jinx it. Don't wanna jinx it. I'm just gonna let it go. You jinxed me! Can I go back, babe?
It's gonna take a long time to walk.
Yay! I passed the first one. Now I need to get past it. Yes! No!
Walk with me.
Yeah, but if I walk, I'm gonna glitch and die.
Maybe I could bring a card over.
Yeah, bring a cart, bring a cart, bring a cart, bring a... It's gonna be really difficult though. Try it. What? He made it past that? So hard to get past that. I'm sorry, but I'm getting that good card. Quick, get a cart.
Can't.
Yes, you can. I died. I died. There's only one person at starters. And the rest are in cylinders. Oh, now there's 2 people in starters. And 3 people in cylinders. When should we make waffles?
That person's almost done.
What? You got a lucky card. When should we go make waffles?
I don't know. What type?
Just waffles. We made it past that part. Okay, we're going to pause the video because the max is 15 minutes and it's at 12:33 seconds right now. So I'm going to pause the video and we will show you guys what it looks like when we're almost at winners. Okay. Hey everyone, so this is how far we got. Yes, we finished all the way down there. Now all we need to do is like get past this part. And if we get past this part, we are going to be so happy when we get to winners. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cool. That'd be so cool.
Now it's like the normal elevator.
No. Fast! We made it. Okay, we need to slow down now. Well, this video is about to automatically end, so we're gonna pause it, and then
When we get to Windows, we'll show
if we get to winners, or we're going to show how close we get to winners. So yeah, see you guys there. Okay guys, so I'm getting really bored of this game and we cannot get to winners, so we're going to end it here. But if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. So yeah, we're about to go record a different video still on my channel, but this time we're gonna upload it to our channel. So yeah, our channel is Zoe and Riley, capital Z, capital A, and capital R. Well, you know what? Our channel will just be in the description below, and we will record a video on it so you guys can go see it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye. End it. Why did we end? Goodbye.